ring king king ah 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 ring king king.
Martin had a dream. Martin had a dream. Kendrick have a dream. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind or die from last child. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I feel amazing. Damn, I'm in the matrix. My mind is living on cloud nine, and this nine is never on vacation. Start up that Maserati and vroom vroom, I'm racing. Popping pills in the lobby, and I pray they don't find her naked. And I pray you niggas is hating. Shooters go after Judas. Jesus Christ, if I live life on my knees, ain't no need to do this.
Las Vegas in the Lamborghini Huracan. Drop the top on this motherfucker.
Yes sir, put fire to that ass, body cast on a stretcher, and her body got that ass that a ruler couldn't measure, and it make me come fast, but I never get embarrassed, and I recognize you have what I've been wanting since that record that Adina Howard had, popping fast to impress her. She rolling, I'm holding my scrotum, imposing. This voice here is golden, so fuck y'all, I goes in, and all my life I want money and power, respect my mind or die from last shout. I pray my dick get big as the Eiffel Tower, so I can fuck the world for 72 hours. Goddamn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Damn, I got bitches. Wifey, girlfriend, and mistress. All my life I want money and power. Respect my mind, no nigga, it's go time. I rollin' dope with a good grind, and I'm running hoe with a bouton. That's a relay race with a bouquet. They say, can you go marry mines? Biatch, no way, biatch, no way, biatch, no way, biatch. Okay, I'm now for living life confined. It's a failure, even if I'm blind. I can tell you who, what, we wear, how to sell your game right on time. Biatch, okay, biatch.
Don't look back, here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who'll never let go.
Like $250,000.
We'll never grow. Don't look back, we're here to stay. A life we knew would come one day. And this is it, the borderline to where the future leaves us behind. The fire will burn and never die, looking through the eyes of a brand new life. And so just find me, just find me. Sparks will fly if we scream no. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who will never
We'll be right back.